Introducing Hyundai-Wia Machine Tools' newly developed alloy wheel lathe LV800 AWTT. Hyundai-Wia's next generation alloy wheel lathe LV800 AWTT, following the horizontal style L500, 600 AW, and vertical style LV800 RAW. Uses two turrets and the automatic chuck changer to achieve maximum productivity. Specially designed for 13-inch to 22.5-inch automobile wheels, LV800 AWTT is the vertical lathe designed with highly rigid structure that can absorb vibration during heavy-duty cutting and wheel machining. For smooth chip disposal, the size of chip outlet on the bed is enlarged to be 350 millimeters in length and 856 millimeters in width. It is installed with the steep angle of 45 degrees so that it can easily handle a large amount of chips. Chips can be disposed of by the independent coolant method using the chip conveyor. Mesh drum chip conveyor is provided as an option, which prevents fine chips from falling into the coolant tank. This improves machining quality and durability of the machine. When operating with multiple machine tools, the central coolant method can be applied where chip outlets are made on the factory floor to handle large amount of chips at once. Two high-pressure coolant devices on the machine can help chips to be smoothly discharged to chip outlets. Each travel axis is designed with highly rigid roller-type LM guideway, which enables a rapid traverse race of 30 meters per minute. The ball screw has a diameter of 40 millimeters and produces powerful thrust for heavy-duty cutting. LV800 AWTT is designed with two turrets. Machining inner and outer surfaces of the wheel can be done simultaneously, reducing the machining time by 20% compared to that of one turret machine. LV800 AWTT has the automatic chuck changer, high-speed 180-degree index rotation. This improves productivity, since inner and outer side of the wheel can be processed at one machine. Smooth operation of ACC is possible since it is driven by servo motor, but allows for speed control which cannot be done with the hydraulic system. Also, the simple structure of ACC minimizes potential fault causes of electrical devices. The high-quality spindle design for wheel machining. The spindle of L800 AWTT shows outstanding performance. It has the maximum rotation speed of 3,000 RPM, maximum output of 55 kilowatts, and maximum torque of 495 Newton meter. It is designed to perform high-quality wheel machining in all speed ranges, from heavy-duty cutting to highly accurate finish. Especially, the built-in spindle is equipped with cooling system, which minimizes vibration to produce wheels with excellent surface finish. Unmanned automated line boosts productivity. As the leader in the field of automation systems in Korea, Hyundai-Wia can maximize productivity of LV800 AWTT with the automated line consisting of the in-out conveyor, 4-axis robot, and the vertical machining center. The processing time for a 16-inch wheel is 115 seconds, which is 20% reduced compared to that of one turret machine. Conventional automated line with one turret machine required two vertical lathes for alloy wheel processing. However, with LV800 AWTT, only one machine is needed, so the installation area is reduced by 14%. In the automated line, when the alloy wheel is put on the conveyor, the robot clamps the wheel and checks the status on the vision system and sends it to the ACC of the LV800 AWTT for the primary machining. After the primary machining, the robot moves the wheel to the air blow device next to the machine to remove chips on the wheel with high-pressure air. It is then moved to the measuring equipment to be confirmed of its condition. If a problem is found, the wheel is put to the NG station and discharged from the line. A wheel in a good condition is sent back to LV800 AWTT to have its opposite side processed. After the secondary processing, it is sent again to the air blow device, which will remove the chips on the wheel. The wheel is then sent to the vision system of the in station. Its status is measured again, and then it is sent to the vertical machining center for rug hole and air valve hole machining. Due to the wheel structure, a 4-axis NCRT must be applied for the air valve hole processing, which requires angle control. Therefore, the processing is done in the vertical machining center with high column. For smooth wheel machining, it is recommended that a wheel smaller than 18 inches be processed with F502, y-axis of 500 millimeters, and a wheel larger than 19 inches be processed with F650, with y-axis of 650 millimeters. Lastly, the alloy wheel that is processed in the vertical machining center is sent to the out conveyor. New innovation in alloy wheel manufacturing. Maximization of productivity through automation. LV800 AWTT will make your dreams become a reality.